Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the United States Navy F-18 Hornet.
Look at the back.
Yeah, the fire?
Yeah.
Hornet is stepping away from
you know.
That's loud, huh?
Just going to approach show center here. And really mark wide, demonstrating the ability to surprise the enemy using high speed. As he reaches show center, he's going to select full afterburner, pull up to the vertical, subjecting himself to 8 times the force of gravity. Now, we got a lot of moisture in the air today, and I talked to you a little bit ago about what we call vapes, and that's vapor, sometimes enveloping the entire airplane. You saw a little bit of the vapes off the wingtips of the Corsair. I expect that we may get some very good vapes off of the Hornet today. Look to the right now. F-18 Hornet accelerating to nearly the speed of sound. I want you to notice that the
look at the wings and you see like round. You'll see. Look at the wings when it goes.
Watch now and look for those vapes. Let's see if we can pick it up. The Hornet high speed pass.
Slightly, I'll go with. You heard it?
Show city. He's going to pick it up on maneuver known as the double forward. During the maneuver, the pilot is going to pick up to the 6 times the force of gravity. This demonstration illustrates the incredible pitch authority and the vertical maneuverability of the F-18. Now, he's only going to do a single implement due to the cow height today. So watch, he's named after the German Luftwaffe pilot Max Himmelmann. Those wings are gold. Lieutenant Foley on his wings are gold.
It's so bad to come over here. You guys watch it. Bring the chance.
He has sent some food over.
Put him down.
Including more than 1,600 the F-18 Hornet and the Super Hornet. Fully qualified aboard naval aircraft carriers, accumulating over 260